Yeah! Welcome back to Southern Snack, where life is too short to be serious. I swear, every time I go to Dairy Queen, if I order more than a few items, it becomes just dramatic, and I start to get frustrated. But anyways, that is what it is. We got some new items, and we got a returning Blizzard. Thought I might as well just review everything, give it a fun little twist. And so we got our festive spring on with all kinds of things. So let's pose for that thumbnail, and there you go. All right, so you got the new Cookie Crunch Dipped Cone, which is basically like Cookie Monster. It looks like it's just Oreo pieces and a blue dip. We'll save that one for last because I want to be able to make my TikTok and not have as many issues. So once we try it, we'll evaluate and just get off the screen. So we'll try orange cream first. I think they gave me a straw. I don't know where it went. Things got chaotic when I tried to do my TikTok, so I had to rearrange that. But shoot, I hate, I love when things just kind of get just so hectic. And now the sun is beating down on my face. Anyways, orange cream shake. Strong. This is how you want it. Actually makes me wish they would do a Blizzard with orange cream, maybe like with golden Oreos. This is a 10. Not every orange cream shake has been a 10 to me, but Arby's absolutely nailed it. You know who didn't really nail orange cream? Wendy's. They did an okay job, and I probably overhyped them, but as compared to Cookout, Arby's, and now Dairy Queen, that is delicious. All right, mint Oreo. They can't seem to decide whether they want to do mint Oreo or mint brownie every year, and then they'll throw in thin mint with the summer menu. It's just crazy. I love them all anyways. I think Oreo is better though. The brownies are a little dry. Sad thing is, I guess they have brownie pieces all year round, but you can always get Oreo pieces too. So some Dairy Queens will charge you extra, but yeah, I love this Blizzard. Only complaint is that it never seems to be super colorful. It always could be more colorful. But it's always delicious, crunchy, minty, and perfection. 10 out of 10. All right, last one is, this is our Cookie Crunch Dip Cone. It'll be a mess, so let's try it. A lot of Oreo flavor from that. Again, I wish their dips were a little bit more thick. It's kind of hard, right? All you can really do is take the ice cream that you have and dip it in, and that's going to be the coating. But it's almost like a vanilla cookies and cream soft serve. It's good. It's very solid. Some people will probably overhype this one. But I give it 8. I like it a lot. I think it could use like some chocolate chip cookie pieces too. But I think what would make their dips more interesting, and it would be crazy, but inside the cone or something, or when they're doing a soft serve, and I know again it would be a challenge, almost impossible. You put mix-ins there, like the Blizzard, right? So yeah, you'd have like Chips Ahoy pieces to go with this Oreo outer layer. So anyways, that's all I've got to say. Successful job by Dairy Queen. The Oreo Mint Blizzard, March only. The other two items, I assume, probably gonna last. It could last all the way through summer. But the summer menu, usually that's when we see like the shakes, the slushes, dip cone. But they're so early on the dip cone and the shake. These might be what carry us through the summer in terms of shakes and dipped cones. So think about that as you will. And other than that, I'll see y'all around.